Engineers, before you take the next step in your transition to HD or 3G, call Ensemble Designs. We'll gladly visit you and bring a demo of proven and reliable up converters, frame sinks, logo inserters, and protection switches. Ensemble Designs, purveyors of fine video gear loved by engineers worldwide.
Okay, good morning. My name is Mary Driscoll. I'm one of the Avid on-air graphics specialists, and today we're going to show you the newest and coolest things about Avid Deko. Avid has been developing Deko continuously for quite a while. In fact, I'm going to first show you one of the new features that came out about a year ago, and that is actually got to do with our power clips. Many people aren't aware yet that we have this ability to not only take a clip and play it in the background, and again, these are simple MOV files created in things like After Effects, but we can actually take smaller power clips and put them into the graphic in layers and have them fully manipulated in 3D space, and you're able to use those just like you would any other static headshot or static logo. So that's the power clips. Also came out a year ago is the idea of motion in motion, the idea that you can create a global motion and you can have many layers attached to one single aspect of the motion, making it much simpler to get the organic looking effects that you're going to want in your broadcast. The most recent features that were just introduced include our open support for SPX and Collada 3D formats. It's going to give you, as it says, the easy workflow and up-to-the-air graphics content edits that are going to allow real-time data mapping, but to very advanced 3D models. These models can come off of applications like Cinema 4D, Softimage. We also have glow and glint motion behaviors, the ability to take and add glows and glints with the touch of a button. Okay, first let me show you some of the 3D models that we have created in here. The 3D modeling is real-time data being mapped onto the models. So for instance, if you look now onto the preview of the screen, I'm just going to change that for you, okay, right there. You'll see that the data is actually just type and text and headshots, but the application is playing out on the video output to actually animate the text. Should be back up to the video monitor. My apologies for directing. So the text is going to be animated in real time, as well as the headshots. In this particular example, we've taken our power clip feature and mapped that onto the 3D object. So again, that object and text are updated in real time. If you wish there, you can change and update that text, just like any other text file or any other data file, and you're able to play that immediately and instantaneously in a power clip. The second feature, of course, that's new is glows and glints. In earlier versions of Deko, you were able to play things like a glow in the background, but there was quite a few steps involved. Now we've created a simplified version of that where you can take and map immediately any color or any texture to either glow around the text or glint on the surface of the text. Let me just do a really quick example of how I can change that so you see how easy that was. This is the character aspects of that graphic. Local behavior. These were already in existence, but glow and glint are new. So if I say, well, I do want that glint, but I don't want that particular shader, what I want is to just give it this green object as the glint. So I'm going to apply that, and now when I play it on the output, you will see that it has changed to that type of an object. It's as easy as deciding you want it, turning it on, deciding how much opacity, deciding which texture, how many cycles, and hitting play. No keyframing, no multiple advanced programming or anything required. You just turn it on and you go. And those are the newest features.